Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set one-handed mode in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here, then go to advanced features, and here select one-handed mode. Just turn on this button one-handed mode and click over one-handed mode, and now as of now it is in gestures mode. Okay, so you got to swipe down in the center of the bottom edge of the screen so that one-handed mode will be active. So to enable one-handed mode, just you got to use this home button center and just swipe down like this, and one-handed mode will be active. This is right-handed mode. To shift to the left-handed mode, press here and left-handed mode will be active. Okay, to adjust the one-handed mode area, just you can track like this and it will be moved to upper position. Okay, so in this way also you can adjust the one-handed mode. See here, if you would like to get full screen mode, just click over the empty screen and it will go to the full screen mode. Okay, then next method you go to click on button option here and you go to tap twice on the home button and one-handed mode will be active. See here, one-handed mode is active now. Okay, if you again swipe double tap on the home button, full screen mode will appear. Okay, if you also click on the empty screen, here, full screen mode will appear. So in this way you can easily set one-handed mode in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.